Welcome back. I have compiled all the questions in NTA OG series. Please check the playlist. We will continue from here. 3 types of muscles are given as A, B and C. Identify the correct matching pair along with the location in human body. A is smooth muscle. Is it smooth muscle? No, this is wrong. Then 2 skeletal muscle, yes. Tricep is the example, correct. B is smooth muscle, yes, seen in stomach. And C is cardiac muscle, seen in heart. So we have the answer. Match question. So non-medicated IUD will be lips loop. 3, A3. A3 is in 1 and 4. So A3, B1 is in again both 1 and 4. C is either 2 or 4. Hormone releasing IUD is LNG, C4. So option 4 is the answer. Next question, assertion reason question. Breastfeeding during initial period of infant growth is recommended by doctors for bringing a healthy baby. Correct, this statement is correct. Reason, colostrum contains several antibodies absolutely essential to develop resistance for the newborn baby. Colostrum is the term given to the milk which is produced after parturition, after childbirth. And this is important because it contains several antibodies, and these antibodies will protect the baby and therefore it will help in bringing up a healthy baby. So reason is justifying assertion. So you will have to select both are true and R is the correct explanation of A. This table is not given in NCERT textbook, but this is common sense. It is not just the antibodies, but there are other features of breast milk which are important for the baby. Number 1, the milk is sterile. Okay, it comes from mother's body, it is sterile, and that is the most important thing. Because no matter what, contamination do occur in milk. And because milk is highly nutritious, the chances of contamination is high. Second thing, it is warm. Its warmness is very important. The gut of newborn baby is highly delicate. So this is another important factor which will be important for the health of baby. Then it has right proportion, right combination of nutrients, minerals and water. And most importantly, it will help in developing intimacy between mother and child.